Now, with the massive controversy over the cattle slaughter rules, ostensibly to prevent cruelty, let's take a look at the Animal Welfare Board under the Environment Ministry. This board is meant to look into issues related to wildlife and animals, all animals. But NDTV found that of late, 10 of the independent members of the board have backgrounds in cow research, cow shelters, and some have been very vocal about cow protection.
The Animal Welfare Board of India under the Environment Ministry is the main agency for framing laws protecting animals, all animals. It currently has 18 board members, of which 8 are from the government while 10 are independent. Of those 10, at least 8 have a background in cow research, cow protection, or have been extremely vocal about cow sheltering. Mohan Singh Ahluwalia, president of Gwala Gaddi, a company that claims to make 100% premium herbal cow ghee and promote and protect Indian cows. Rajiv Gupta, a former secretary in the Department of Youth Affairs too, has been very vocal in his mygov.in blog, where he writes, institutions keeping cattle like gaushalas and gausandhans require necessary government support for their sustenance. The useless cattle can be made into useful cattle by proper use of dung, urine and draught animal power. Dr. R.S. Chauhan, an animal doctor, he is the president of Cow Therapy Society, editor of the Indian Cow and editor-in-chief of the International Journal on Cow Science. Dr. Hitesh Jani, specializing in Gau Vigyan, also runs a program called Interdisciplinary Cow Science Awareness and Research. Ajit Sharat Kelkar, author of Abhinav Krishi Chintan, was published by an agency called Gau Rashtra. Dhanpal Singh, a member of Gayatri Parivar, which runs various cow shelters across India. Girish J. Shah, who's the managing trustee of Samast Mahajan, which has supported 350 cow shelters across Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. We got an opportunity to speak to one of them, Sunil Manasingha, Chief Coordinator of Gau Vigyan Anusandhan Kendra, on whose site it says, grab your opportunity to be a Gau Sevak.
मानव के अंदर ऐसा है कि जब भारत में और जिस शास्त्रों में और पूरी दुनिया में जिसको स्वीकार किया 84 लाख यूनिया है देश में दुनिया में जी जो मतलब भगवान ने इजाद कर रखी है अब 84 लाख सदस्य तो नहीं हो सकते इसके अंदर और दूसरी बात 84 लाख यूनियन के प्रतिनिधि रूप में गाय मतलब गाय को ऐसा बोला है कि इट इज लाइफ ऑन अर्थ उसमें गाय मतलब केवल गाय की बात में गोबर समूचा आता है और उसके अपने उपयोगिता बहुत ज्यादा महत्व की है अन्य प्राणी की तुलना में कोई बोलेगा भेड़ बकरी के बाद कुत्ते बिल्ली की बात तो कुत्ते बिल्ली का आप नहीं सोच सकते कि उसका
If somebody is a cow lover or somebody has dedicated his life for serving the cow or for protecting the cow, that is I think a significant certification of his commitment for you see our environment, our animal welfare, our rivers, our air.
The concern for the Animal Husbandry Department right now is just about one animal. Any change? Well, not exactly on the cards for the next 3 years. With camera person Hira Mandal in New Delhi, Manas Pratap Singh, NDTV.